In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan trips with Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool, and with its help, you can organize and manage your travel plans with ease. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extensive global tour, the steps I'm about to share will help you keep everything in check and ensure you make the most of your travel experiences. Let's dive right in. We're going to start by opening Notion and getting started on our trip planner. First up, you'll want to click on Add New. This will let you create a new page specifically for your trip. It's always nice to have everything neatly organized in a dedicated space. Next, select Empty Page and give your page a meaningful title. This could be the name of the trip or the destination, something that instantly reminds you of what the page is all about. Once you have your page set up, let's get into structuring your itinerary. In Notion, type /board view. Doing this will create a new database, perfect for visualizing your trip stages as cards on a board. The board view is particularly handy because it provides a clean, visual way of organizing itineraries by days, activities, or any other category you find useful. With your board view ready, click on New Empty Database. This is where the real magic happens. You'll be able to add days, activities, and any other travel specifics. Now, click Settings and navigate to Edit Properties. This step is key because it lets you customize what each card on your board will display, ensuring you have all critical trip details visible at a glance. To better structure your plans, begin by clicking on Status. Notion allows for custom labels, so you're going to change Not Started to Day 1. This label will help you map out a clear start to your itinerary. Similarly, update In Progress to indicate Day 2. Keeping your plans so orderly helps in understanding how each part of your trip unfolds over time. Next, click Done and get ready to flesh out the activities. Clicking New Page gives you a space to add detailed plans or notes for each day. For example, under Day 1, you might note a morning city tour or a dinner reservation in the evening. It's about bringing clarity and context to your trip. And remember, if you have more activities for the day than anticipated, feel free to click on New Page again. It's always better to overplan than to miss out on experiences due to lack of foresight. By following these steps, you will have created a streamlined and detailed travel planner that's accessible and easy to modify as plans inevitably change. With Notion, organizing your travel plans is not only efficient, but also enjoyable, making the preparation stage an exciting part of the journey. Enjoy planning your next adventure with Notion, and happy travels.